What up, guys? What up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Kemar representing for the Gordonz, and as you can see, my wife is here about to do her hair in the night. Can you imagine? Okay, so she's sprinkling what's that? Dirty water, boo? I'm not even sure, but I think it's clean water still. Yeah, it's clean water. So, we did we buy that bottle in Barbados? So guys, we carry that bottle all the way from Barbados to Jamaica just to spray. The amount of things we went through just to get that bottle. Okay, I don't know what Rakisha is doing, but I think she's just moisturizing her hair. Oh people, ignore the blurriness of the camera. Rakisha chose to did this video in the night, so that's her fault. Blame her. Okay, she had to support her here. Alright. So I will want to see this because Rakisha asked me to do the voiceover for her. I'm telling you guys straight. So, and I'm gonna talk exactly what I'm seeing. Hey Rakisha, what's up? What you doing? Mind the bunks off my camera right now cause Yana looks so. So people, as you can hear her, she's in the background telling me what to say. And she's laughing and all stuff like that. She's getting the edges out, you know. I have long hair as well, but I'm afraid of the comb. I don't like to comb my hair. But Rakisha hair is very soft. Mine is rough because I have them real nigger hair. Yeah. So she'll get out all of the bump and all of the tie up and knots. So let me see what can happen next. I'm interested. If you see why she ruined this for so long. You still at the party and done that party to move on to something else. Okay, so she has a show how much hair she lost and it's better than nothing. Waste matter. What we can trim off the edges them. People, if you want her to trim, let me know. I will trim her for you. Live and direct. I bet she gonna find something to talk about. Cause she always talk when time she had the video. Just want talk. You go talk though. She look through the window where you do. Look scared. So she put her hair in her favorite style, granny plait. That style that fit you, don't people. And I want watch her. See? She start talk already. You see guys, I know she's gonna talk. She's talking. She's actually talking. Right? She's dancing. Whoa, I like that effect. Watch this. Nasty. She's afraid of the water. You don't be that here they don't wash already? I know minutes when that here they wash.
Who is not done wash, it just a start wash. What make you not wash it?
Some can take off the clothes and that shower.
No, people they came when
So,
after that.
me can take off the clothes same way. Not true people. Boy, me not tell no like this a shower a stress. A one drip me. Wow. Real shampoo guys, you guys should get it. Rakisha buy that shampoo all the way in Ultra-Waves. Smell good and you have good purpose, good benefits. Make your hair grow. So maybe see what Rakisha will do. Or she wash her hair flat. That's a very unusual style. So make you see what go happen now.
Look what me do not here.
Oh, Rakisha bad me up. Well, no, she's using her vibrator. I love that vibrator, guys. It's a very good vibrator. You'll make a drop asleep right in the shower.
Scalp massage.
So it can't be one vibrator.
You need scalp massage, okay?
Guys, it's a vibrator. It's a vibrator. It's a very good vibrator. Watch out. How are you talking in that show now? Yeah. Okay, so Rakisha is just doing her thing. I like when Rakisha wash her hair. She look really nice and fresh, and you know her hair look blacker. When it's dirty, it look red. But I like seeing it blacker and nice and soft, and you can play nights all night, all day. After I hear the palm of my chest all day, you know, just rub my hand through, feel so good. Yeah. Hope all of my kids them have this type of hair. Well, not so weaky, but you know, it can look like that, but have my texture and my strength. So, people, you can use that vibrator, guys. Especially you can use man and woman can use it. Yeah. I call it vibrator because it's a vibrator. Rakisha is telling it's a scam masala, but it's a vibrator. Oh. Okay. Now it's for my favorite part, conditioning. And this is a nice, it's minty. It's a very mint, nice smelling, tastes good condition. Alright, so let me see what Rakisha is gonna do right now. So just a little bit, and we're just gonna rub it into our palms, and we're gonna massage our hair from back to front, easy and cheesy. Oh guys, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are close to 200, and next week, when I reach 200 subscribers, and this is from me, I'm gonna just private my subscription for many reasons. You guys can inbox me and ask me why I'm doing that, but I will tell you guys individually. Yes. So sorry for the inconvenience, but that's just the way it is. Alright, so getting it, and Rakisha's done. And now for the leave-in condition. Not leave-in, it's a deep condition, but she's gonna use it to soak her hair for a couple minutes or whatever. For 1 hour? Okay, 1 hour. So as you can see, the good old scandal bag. Guys, don't throw away those scandal bags. Whenever you go out and buy food or buy grocery, bring home the scandal bag. I always take out my scandal bag in my pocket and use it for garbage. And as you can see, Rakisha is using it for a steam cap. Yes, very cheap, just $5. And you can just use it and throw it away, or you can use it and put it down. So you can see Rakisha, the texture in her hair is very nice, it's soft and nice. Wow, I love that hair. Bring that here, come girl. Playing that right now. So she tell me how to do my voiceover, people. Oh, what kind of yo, I mean narrator, you know. I know you are the actor, me I talk. Me I read the story. People, if you want to see me do more video like this, let me know. Cause Rakisha there's a chat in my background. Okay. And if you guys hear a little shh, is the microphone, my god, and then it's very clean, the trucks are passing by. So as you can see, Rakisha with her thumb, she took it off, and now she's gonna do her thing again with her hair. I don't know what she's gonna do again. So she's showing off curls, nice soft hair now. Yeah, her hair is very lengthy. It's growing, but you know it's moving slow. Camera is losing focus. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is what happened when and after you use the leave-in condition. And I don't know what's that, but I think it's what? Wild growth? Okay, it's a wild growth. So her hair is gonna grow wild, I think. So let us see what's gonna happen. Guys, I think you should get all these guys, I think you should get all of these ingredients to put in your hair. Wild growth, deep condition, mint, um, deep condition, leave-in condition, everything. Shea butter, Dax wax, you name it, we have it. So, okay, so we get in there. Dig that scab, girl. Dig that scab. You have to dig it. Okay. She's telling me that she's using the palm of her hands to massage her scab. Alright, so now we're gonna use the famous and good vitamin E. Vitamin E, rich in vitamin. It's very good, right? You can use it on your mouth, hair, ears, body, skin, whatever. So Rakisha is using the vitamin E. Then she's gonna use something else that I'm not sure what is that. What is that?
Rosemary oil.
Rosemary.
My mother made it.
That's my mother's name, oil. So for those of you who know my mother's name, that's my mother's name, oil. Rosemary oil. I never hear that one before. So I never call it mommy oil or
no, she used rosemary and Mickey. What do you mean?
Rosemary? Wow. Guys, only in Jamaica. Only in Jamaica.
No.
Right? Well, it's all over, but only in Jamaica. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like the videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and share. Don't forget to, bring a friend and tell your friend to bring a friend and their friend to bring a friend and their friend to bring their friend and a friend. Alright, and come over and enjoy the gardens. Yeah. So, digging in, she's getting there. My. Alright, so as you can see here, it's very shiny, here is very nice, and she's Rakisha just a focus on losing here all the time. You don't know, say you have to lose here when you wash it, when you do all of them things there. So Rakisha, just relax and stop worry about losing a little bit of hair. That not gonna do nothing. Alright, so as you can see, her hair is very lengthy, right to her nipple. Yeah, so let me see the next side is there, it's arid and balanced. Okay, so she don't want the wet hair to touch her skin, I guess. So she gonna put her thumb, or she show off so she have hair thumb.
It's a microfiber towel.
Okay, so she tell me say it's a microfiber towel. So I didn't know that. I thought she was just putting that thing on her shoulder because she's preventing the wet hair to touch her. But I now realizing that she's just showing off her microfiber towel. Okay, what a big word. Microfiber towel. Okay, so here's my microfiber towel. Don't I need one for my hair?
No.
Okay then. So my hair is not important then, guys. So the way you see me, don't complain because my wife tells me that everything's okay. So stop worrying about little hair. That's nothing. So just stop worrying about that. So we're twirling down, we're going to the nitty gritty. So as you can see, here is now smooth, nice, long. And my favorite part, when you're gonna cure it, put on our tie head for the night. So it can keep straight to in the morning. Yes. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys just give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So this is where we're gonna end this right now. So as you can see, she's well put her thing together and she's going to her bed. So thank you guys for watching. subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time. Peace, and we're out. Yeah.